Now that the hardware has been installed and wired, you can begin programming and testing your unit. We'll start off by resetting or clearing the unit. First, turn the unit on. Next, press Program.
Program. Entered program code.
This puts the dialer in the program mode, as indicated by the illuminated program light. All programming operations must be done with the unit in the program mode. The following step erases all user programming, including recorded messages. So normally, it's done only at initial startup. To clear the system memory, press 9, 3, 5, 9, and enter.
Overall reset.
If you make an error in code entry, simply press Cancel and start again. Once your unit is cleared, you can begin programming the phone numbers your unit will call. If you need touch tone dialing, press 9, 0, 1, 1, and enter.
Programmed for touch tone dialing.
To go back to standard pulse dialing, press 9, 0, 1, 0. Enter.
Programmed for pulse dialing.
To program the first dial-out phone number, press 7, 0, 1. Then the complete phone number.
5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Then press Enter.
Phone number 1 is 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4.
To program a second number, use code 702 instead of 701, and so on, up to a maximum of code 716 for the 16th phone number. Each number may be up to 24 digits in length. Be sure to include any necessary area codes, or 1 prefixes. To insert delays between dialed digits, press the minus key once for each 1-second delay desired in the phone number programming process. Refer to your manual for more information on programming the duration of each delay. Next, you'll need to program the system's input channels. Your verbatim autodialer needs to know whether its input channels are to be normally closed, that's alarm on open circuit, or normally open, alarm on closed circuit. All contact inputs are initially set normally closed. This is the default setting, and therefore any open circuits, including any inputs left unconnected during installation, will appear as alarms until the inputs are programmed. If you're unsure of whether an input is presently in open or closed condition, you can check the actual status of the circuit to determine its present state. Press 0, then the 2-digit channel number,
1,
0, and then enter.
Channel 1 is open.
To automatically program the inputs, first make sure all inputs are in their normal, non-alarm state. Then press 5, 0, 0, enter.
Present input condition is programmed to be normal for all channels.
The verbatim autodialer automatically examines all inputs and programs them to alarm on the opposite input state from their present status. This code 500 does not affect any channels that have been programmed for status only, runtime meter, or pulse totalizer function. In most cases, no further programming of contact inputs is necessary. However, the following configuration options are available. To set an individual contact input for normally closed operation, that is, to alarm an open circuit, press 5, then the 2-digit channel number you're programming,
0, 1.
Be sure to always use a leading 0 for channels 1 through 9 to keep the channel number a 2-digit entry. Now press 1, then enter.
Channel 1. Normally closed.
To set an individual contact input channel for normally open operation, press 5,
5.
the channel number,
0. 1.
2,
2.
and then enter.
Channel 1. Normally open.
If you want any of your inputs set to report status only, never causing an alarm dial-out, program each individual channel as follows. 5,
5.
the channel number,
0. 1.
3, and then enter.
3. No alarm. Condition 4. Channel 1.
If you want to disable an input from ever being reported, program each channel as follows. 5,
5.
the channel number,
0. 1.
0,
0.
and then enter.
Channel 1. Disarmed.